Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Sophie. I'm super excited to be back with another makeup tutorial for you guys today. I'm using the brand new Morphe 35O Firece By Nature palette. And when you guys see this palette, you are going to freak out. It's absolutely stunning. And I'm just super excited. There's so many amazing palettes coming out. So stay tuned for my next few couple of videos because I will be using all brand new palettes. But yeah, we're just going to jump right into it. As always, guys, if you want to be entered for our monthly giveaway, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed, turn your post notifications on, and then comment down below if you live in the US to be automatically entered for our giveaway. So this is the brand new Morphe 35O3 Firece By Nature palette. And the packaging is absolutely stunning. And I think that all of these shades are absolutely stunning. So I instantly just went into the colors that I was drawn to. I didn't really have an idea for what kind of look I wanted to do. So first thing I'm doing is priming my eyelids. And I like to use concealer. Right now I like to use the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Contouring Concealer. And I also set it with a little bit of translucent powder. So first shade I'm going into is this one right here. And it is called Flame Game. And I'm going in with this big fluffy brush, and we're just going to start to pop this into the crease. And we're just going to concentrate this mainly in the center of the crease. And it's super pigmented, so I concentrated most of that product right in the center, and then with whatever I have left over, just diffusing those edges and making sure that everything is nice and blended. And I'm just keeping a round shape for this look. I'm just following the natural curve of my crease. And then I'm going to be going into an angled brush. This one is by Morphe, and it doesn't have a number. It's from a brush collection with the same handle and hardware. So if you look at their brush collections, this brush is in one of those collections. And I'm going into the shade Red Alert. And I'm just popping this into my crease and just kind of focusing this right in the center as well. And I'm just kind of focusing on getting a really defined line. And I like to start in the center and then work my way to the inner and outer corners. And then I'm picking up this small tapered brush and some more of those two shades that we just applied previously. And I'm just going in left and right motions over top of that line. We're slowly starting to build a gradient. And these shades are all super pigmented. So definitely have to do a lot of blending, but they're super easy to blend. And then I just felt like it needed a little bit more diffusing, so I just grabbed this extra big fluffy brush by Morphe, and I'm just kind of diffusing those edges. So next I'm picking up this angled brush by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm picking up some more of my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Contouring Concealer, and I'm just carving the first half of my lid and also setting the lid, just making sure that everything is nice and set in place. And then I'm picking up this small flat brush, also by the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill collection. And I picked up some translucent powder, and I'm just kind of pressing that over top of the concealer just so that that concealer doesn't budge, doesn't move anywhere. And then I'm going into this beautiful shade right here in the palette. It is called Make Believe, and it's honestly like a pressed glitter. It's not really a pressed eyeshadow, so I definitely had to go in multiple layers and apply it, but it is still a stunning shade, and it's still pretty pigmented. All that I did was I wet my brush with a little bit of Fix Plus, and the color payoff was absolutely stunning. This is definitely a beautiful shade. And then I picked up this small pencil brush, and this next shade here is called Warning Label. And I'm just packing that onto the outer corner. And this shade is literally stunning, and I think that it just really helped us to blend that outer corner into that lid shade. And then I just grabbed my small tapered brush, and once again we're just kind of blending that shade into the shimmery one. And then I'm going into my ABH liquid liner, and I love this liner. I love how much precision the felt tip has, and it dries completely matte and it's super black. And then I'm just peeling off my tape. And then for lashes today, I'm going to be applying my Shop Sophie Bella Barbados lashes. And we're running low on stock on everything, so if you want to get your hands on something, I would highly recommend getting it now. Everything is 100% cruelty-free and faux mink. And then I'm just applying this liner by Urban Decay in the shade Double Life. And then we're going to be going into this shade right here once again. This is the very first transition shade that we applied in our crease. And I'm just grabbing this really small smudger brush. And I'm just applying this to the outer corner of my lower lash line. We're going to concentrate these shades more on the outer corner. Kind of wanted to switch it up for the lower lash line. I feel like I always do the same technique. And I kind of wanted to do something a little bit different. So I'm going in with this flat detailed brush and this shade right here. And we're just going to be concentrating this on the outer corner like I said before. And just really laying it down, concentrating that on that outer edge, and then going back into the smudger brush and just blending those two shades together. And I think that these shades are going to look absolutely stunning on anyone with brown eyes or any color eyes. It's just absolutely beautiful. And then for mascara, I just picked up this one by The Balm, and this one is called the Mad Lash Mascara. And then for my inner corner, I just picked up my Pixie Beauty highlight in the shade Subtle Sunrise, and I just popped that onto my inner corner. So yeah, this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below what you think about this palette, if you would purchase it, if you haven't already. Let me know in the comment section down below. I definitely would recommend it. I absolutely loved it. And I think that this look turned out stunning. I definitely want to play around with it some more and create some more different looks using it. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!